Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the New Boston. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the when keyword. Now the when keyword is similar to the if statement. So what it does is, let's say you want to catch an index out of range exception only when a certain value has occurred. So let's go ahead and create a for loop here. So for index as integer equals 0 to 5, what we want to do is add each one of the items from my array to the list box. And you can see that we have my array up here, which is an integer array, and it's got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this holds 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once we hit 5, we have an index out of range exception. So we want to catch this index out of range exception only when a certain thing has happened. So we'll just type when. And now what we can do is type whatever we want right here. So let's go ahead, and to be able to access index, let's declare it outside of our try catch statement. So dim index as integer. So now what we need to do is just get rid of this right here. So for index equals 0, okay, so now that we have index outside of our try catch statement, we can run this index out of range exception when index is equal to 5. So if index is equal to anything other than 5 and we get this exception right here, it's not going to run what's right here. So let's go ahead and run this. We'll go ahead and click add all, and you can see this, it says do not access memory that isn't there. Then it's got I am the finally, and it beeps right there. So if we do when index is equal to 6, you can see that if we click add all, the program freezes up and crashes because index is not equal to 6, it is equal to 5. It's equal to 5 when the error happens and not equal to 6. So what we can do is, if we really want it to only run when index is equal to 6, we can add a catch ex as exception right here, and this will catch anything that hasn't already been caught. Let's say we use a when keyword and it's not going to catch it, we can go ahead and catch it down here. So we'll just type messagebox.show ex.message. So if we go ahead and run this, if we click add all, it says index was outside the bounds of the array. And this is not don't access memory that isn't there, because index is equal to 5 when the exception occurs, and this only runs when index is equal to 6. And then we've got I am the finally. Now we can add as many when keywords as we want, and you can use them when index, let's say, is equal to null. So if we just put when index is equal to null, and let's do nothing. Okay, so when index is equal to nothing, if a null reference exception happens, then it's going to show this message box right here. So go ahead, practice a bit with the when keyword, and once you got that down, once you know the try, the catch, using different kinds of exceptions, throwing your own exceptions, using finally, and whatever else, once you got that down, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.